After shutting down for 2 months due to the coronavirus pandemic, the New York Stock Exchange reopened its iconic trading floor on Tuesday, but it will look and feel different. Only a quarter of the normal number of traders will be allowed to return to work. Traders must avoid public transit, wear masks, and follow strict social distancing rules. They will be screened and have their temperatures taken as they enter the building, and visitors are banned. Traders will also reportedly need to sign a liability waiver that prevents them from suing the exchange if they get infected by the virus. Britain's Department of Health said early data from clinical trials show the drug Remdesivir could shorten the recovery time of COVID-19 patients by 4 days. The drug will be provided to certain patients deemed most likely to benefit from it. Remdesivir is an antiviral medicine originally developed to fight Ebola. The World Health Organization has temporarily suspended testing the malaria drug as a potential treatment for COVID-19 due to safety concerns.
The executive group has implemented a temporary pause of the hydroxychloroquine arm within the Solidarity trial while the safety data is reviewed by the Data Safety Monitoring Board.
Earlier this month, U.S. President Donald Trump said he was taking the drug to ward off the virus. In an effort to prevent a second wave of infections in the city where the outbreak began, Chinese authorities say swab test samples were collected from more than 9 million residents, and more than 6.5 million have been tested from May 15th to May 23rd. The citywide testing drive came after 6 new cases were recorded earlier this month, the first time local infections were reported after the lockdown was lifted in early April. Prayers will be held across Saudi Arabia as of May 31st, with the exception of the holy city of Mecca. Mosques will be authorized to open 20 minutes before Friday prayers and should close 20 minutes after they finish. Saudi authorities said restrictions would be lifted in 3 phases over the next month, including revising the 24-hour curfew imposed on many cities. Domestic flights are set to resume as well, but gyms, cinemas, and beauty salons will remain closed. Bethlehem's Church of Nativity reopened to worshippers and tourists Tuesday, but it is capping access to 50 people at a time and requiring they wear protective masks.
The birth of our Lord Jesus Christ gave hope to people more than 2,000 years ago, and opening the church today, I think, will give hope to the whole world that hopefully this pandemic will end not only in Palestine but in the whole world.
The church has been closed since March 5th. In a show of solidarity as the country slowly eases out of lockdown, Italy's Air Force put on an impressive display, painting the sky with the colors of the Italian flag. The team will be floating their red, green, and white colors over 21 cities in 5 days, ending in Rome on June 2nd for Italian Republic Day. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay up to date on the latest breaking national and international news, be sure to subscribe to our channel, where we also dig into big issues around the world in our weekly series, Global News Explains.